welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I'm going to share with you how I made this Mackenzie Childs inspired pumpkin decor. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make home decor videos and DIY project videos. I would love it if you join us. And if you like this video as much as I do, please give it a thumbs up. I want to make this intro short, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
So I'm coloring this planter that I picked up from Michael's, and since it is plastic, I'm worried that the color might be chipped, and so for that reason I'm giving it a coat of Mod Podge. Mod Podge will act as an adhesive so that the color will stick to the planter without being chipped. Probably at the end of the project I'm going to give it one top coat of Mod Podge so that it will be a permanent color without being chipped away. Once my Mod Podge is dried, I'm adding two different chalk paint that I have. There's one pure white and the other one is a little bit of creamy white. I'm mixing these two and I will give this planter a coat of this mix. You don't have to use chalk paint. Any kind of acrylic paint should be just fine. But I happen to have this paint and that's what I'm using, and actually I really like chalk paints. Usually it doesn't need any primer or sanding, but it has a very good coverage. Often one or two coat would be enough, and as you can see here, it's pretty opaque, and then I'll give it about 2 hours to maybe more, a little bit more than 2 hours to dry out completely. So it's the next day, and as you can see, I'm starting to prep my pumpkins. I found these pumpkins at Michael's. It's very easy to make this topiary. Just find 3 pumpkins in different sizes and you can glue them on top of each other, or insert a stick in the foam pumpkins and place them on top of each other. As I mentioned, I found these at Michael's and they were on sale, so I took advantage of the sale and I got them the way they are. And I'm giving them a coat of Mod Podge again because I want my paint to stick very well and have the permanent attachment. So I'm using Mod Podge as an adhesive for my glue. For my paint here. Decided to paint the first pumpkin all black with golden polka dots, so I'm giving it 2 coats of this black paint. smaller pumpkins in that off-white, which I got by mixing white and cream. And that is going to be my base for the pattern that I will create on top of that white. So here I outlined the pattern that I'm looking for with pencil, and I started filling every other square in black. Give it a few hours to dry out, and then I painted the second coat. Just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is handmade, and little flaws here and there makes it even more beautiful in my opinion. I got this gold marker at Michael's. You can also find it at Amazon. I tried to make gold polka dot. I use this um, as a guide to help me to make them as round as possible. The next day and everything is dried. I am trying to arrange some flowers in the planter and then place the pumpkins on top of it. All I'm doing is separating these branches and placing them in the planter.